Or are you stuck staring at books for hours, but nothing actually sticks? What if I told you most study habits are actually fighting your brain? No joke. Forget highlighting every word or rereading until your eyes cross. Today, we're dropping 7 science-backed study secrets that will completely flip how you learn. These aren't your grandma's study tips. These are brain-friendly strategies to unlock your mind's true learning power. Get ready to study smarter, not harder, and finally make that information permanent. Here's a crazy thought. Your brain can trick you into thinking you've learned something when you absolutely haven't. That cozy, familiar feeling from rereading notes? Yeah, that's usually just familiarity, not real learning. And get this, research shows students forget over 90% of what they hear in a lecture after just 2 weeks if they don't reinforce it. INSANE, right? It's time to stop fighting your brain and start using its hidden strengths. Welcome. Today, we're throwing out the old, useless study playbook and bringing in a brand new one. We're about to explore 7 shocking, yet unbelievably powerful, study secrets, all backed by COLD, hard science. These techniques will help you understand things deeper, remember them longer, and make your study sessions incredibly effective and, I'm serious, maybe even fun. Your brain is an amazing machine, but it needs an instruction manual. This is your cheat sheet for that manual. So, grab a notebook, you will not want to forget these. The teacher-toddler trick, the Feynman technique. Alright, secret number 1. If you really want to master something, try explaining it to a 5-year-old. I'm serious. If you can't find one, just pretend. This is the core of the Feynman technique, from Nobel Prize winner Richard Feynman. He knew that if you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it. Think about it. When you're forced to simplify huge ideas, you cut the jargon and find what actually matters. This process fires up your brain, building connections and showing you exactly where the holes in your knowledge are. It's not about memorizing, it's about truly getting it. Studies prove this kind of active thinking and self-explanation leads to deeper learning and way better retention. So, pick a topic, grab some paper, and explain it so simply a kid gets it. You'll be blown away by how fast you see what you don't know. Then, go back, fill those gaps, and simplify again. Your brain will thank you for making things crystal clear. The memory athlete, spacing spaced repetition. Next up, secret number 2 is all about timing. Forget cramming all night, that's the worst way to learn. Instead, you have to try spaced repetition. This technique means reviewing material at increasingly longer intervals. Like, you might look at something after a day, then 3 days, then a week, and keep going. Why is this so powerful? It's based on the forgetting curve, which shows how fast we forget info if we don't try to remember it. Spaced repetition crushes this curve by hitting you with info right before you forget it. Every time you recall it, you supercharge the memory pathways in your brain. Cognitive science research always shows that spacing out study leads to massively better long-term retention than cramming. In fact, one study showed spaced repetition can boost long-term retention by up to 200% compared to cramming, with the same study time. TWO 100%. There are even apps to schedule these for you. It's like a workout plan for your memory, building strength over time. The Sherlock Holmes, scan the SQ3R method, survey and question focus. Secret number 3, become a detective * before you even start reading. This is where the SQ3R method comes in, especially the first 2 steps, survey and question. SQ3R stands for survey, question, read, recite, review. It's a legendary tool for active reading. So, before you even think about reading a chapter, take a few minutes to * survey it. Skim headings, subheadings, the intro, the conclusion, any bold text or pictures. Just get a feel for what it's about. This primes your brain, giving it a map of what's coming. Then, and this is crucial question, turn those headings into questions. Ask what you already know, and what you want to learn. This active questioning turns you from a passive sponge into an active information hunter. Research shows this method helps you grab key facts, understand things better, and remember more because you're engaged from the start. You're literally telling your brain what to hunt for, so when you do read, it's like you're on a top secret mission. New studies keep proving SQ3R helps students destroy tricky texts and engage deeply. The brain workout, active recall, secret number 4 is probably the most powerful of them all, active recall. Stop passively rereading your notes or just highlighting pages. Highlighting is one of the worst strategies because it doesn't make your brain do anything. Active recall, though, means pulling information out of your memory. Think of it like quizzing yourself, hard. Use flashcards, and actually try to answer before flipping. Do practice questions, or just close your book and write down everything you remember. It might feel tougher than rereading, and that's a good sign. That difficulty means your brain is working overtime to strengthen those memory connections. Research, like a 2023 Harvard Medical School study, proves active recall strengthens neural pathways way more effectively than passive review. We're talking potentially up to 300% more effectively. 300%. This testing effect seriously boosts long-term memory. Even if you can't recall something perfectly, trying makes you remember it later. So, make testing yourself a huge part of your study routine. Your brain craves a good workout. The tomato timer, power up the Pomodoro technique. Our fifth secret sounds simple, but it's a total game changer for focus, the Pomodoro technique. This means breaking your study sessions into focused 25-minute blasts, called Pomodoros, with short 5-minute breaks. After about 4 of these, you take a longer break, like 15-30 minutes. Why is this insanely effective? First, it crushes procrastination. Telling yourself, just 25 minutes, is way less terrifying than a huge, endless study session. Second, those short, regular breaks prevent burnout and let your brain recharge. This can actually skyrocket your productivity and keep you laser focused. Studies suggest this structured attack plan helps people, even those who suck at focusing, by breaking tasks into tiny, manageable pieces and creating a rhythm. It also makes you hyper-aware of how you are using your time. So, set a timer, go hard for 25 minutes, take a real break, get away from your desk, and repeat. It's about working in sprints, not one long, painful race. The Chaos Coordinator, vary your study space, secret number 6 might shock you, ditch your dedicated study desk. Sometimes. While a main, distraction-free spot is good, research shows that occasionally switching UP where you study can actually help you remember things better. The idea is your brain makes tiny links between what you're learning and your surroundings, sights, sounds, even smells. When you study the same stuff in different places, you create more of these contextual cues. Later, when you need that info, any of those cues could trigger the memory. One study found students who studied words in 2 different rooms actually did better on a test than students who studied twice in the same room. Now, this doesn't mean study in a loud, crazy coffee shop all the time. The key is intentional variation. Maybe the library one day, a quiet spot at home another, even your backyard. Mixing it up keeps things fresh and gives your brain more hooks to hang memories on. The sleep to succeed paradox, the power of sleep, our final secret, number 7, is maybe the most overlooked but critically important. Prioritize your sleep. Pulling an all-nighter to cram is a common, but terrible, strategy. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's when your brain is working hard to lock in your memories. During sleep, especially in certain stages, your brain processes everything you learned. It strengthens important memories and trashes irrelevant details. Basically, sleep moves info from your weak short-term memory to your super stable long-term memory. Research shows not getting enough sleep can slash your learning ability by as much as 40%. 40%. Plus, being sleep deprived destroys your focus, attention, and decision making, everything you need for studying and exams. So, instead of sacrificing sleep for a few extra, useless hours of review, get a good night's rest. It's genuinely one of the most productive study activities you can do. Think of sleep as hitting the SAVE button for your brain. DO it. WOW, we just unleashed a ton of knowledge bombs. From teaching toddlers in your head, to genius timing tricks, and even changing your study spots, these 7 secrets are designed to make your brain learn and hold info like a supercomputer. Which of these secrets absolutely blew your mind, or which one are you pumped to try first? SMASH that comment button below. I genuinely want to hear what you think and what works for you. And if these tips were gold and you want more science-backed strategies to explode your learning and productivity, slam that like button, and you better subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Your support helps us make more awesome content like this. So there you have it, 7 study secrets your brain will absolutely worship you for. Remember, studying effectively isn't about brute force, it's about understanding how your brain actually works and using that to crush it. It's about active engagement, smart timing, and giving your brain the VIP treatment it needs to shine. Ditching those awful habits like just rereading stuff passively and cramming last minute, and adopting these smarter strategies, will not only boost your grades but also slash your stress and make learning feel unbelievably rewarding. Start by picking just 1 or 2 of these techniques to try this week. Small changes can lead to massive results.